Machine learning, or ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computer systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. ML has become increasingly popular in recent years as businesses have recognized its potential to revolutionize operations and improve decision-making. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data and draw insights from it has been a game-changer for many industries, from healthcare to finance to e-commerce. One of the key benefits of ML is its ability to automate processes, saving time and money for businesses. A shot of a person using an ML-powered virtual assistant. In addition, ML has enabled the development of smart systems such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and self-driving cars. A shot of a person using a voice-controlled smart home device. These systems have made our lives easier and more convenient, and we can expect to see more and more of them in the future. The heart of ML lies in the models that are created to analyze data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. These models are created using algorithms that are trained on large sets of data to make accurate predictions and decisions. However, it's important to remember that these models are only as good as the data that is used to train them. A shot of a person discussing the ethical considerations of ML. There are also important ethical considerations when it comes to ML, such as bias and privacy concerns. A shot of a person using an ML-powered medical device. ML has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve the lives of people around the world. A shot of a person discussing the future of ML. As ML continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more powerful applications in the future. A computer screen displaying the results of an ML analysis. So whether you are a business looking to optimize your operations or a researcher looking to make a breakthrough, ML is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals.